to underline the words. Okay, now. Now see, you have completed this. I'll have to do from first. You just check whether you have done this. Those who were not present on that day. I'll just show you. Fast you can complete. Those who did not do, you can do it fast. And I'll read only once. A house protects us. Keep your pencil below each word. Those who did not underline, please do it now. A house protects us from heat, cold, wind, rain, and wild animals.
Good morning, ma'am.
We feel safe in a house. Long ago, people lived in caves. Later, they built houses. They used mud, straw, and stones to build houses. What are houses made of? In villages, some houses are made of mud and straw. Such houses are kacha houses. Straw, kacha. In town and cities, most houses are made of bricks and cement. Such houses are pakka houses. We finished explaining about this. Now underline the words. No speaking please in between. Already we completed this. Cement. Pakka houses. Pakka houses are stronger than kacha houses. People build, underline build. With that, we are stopping. Build houses with materials that they find easily. Now, children, I'll tell you something. I cannot come back to you because I have to make you underline. So I will be seeing only the screen. You just behave properly and do the work. Now, next page. Please take your next page, everybody. Please take your next page, everybody. Textbook, reader, yeah, EVS. Page number 20. No playing now. I can see in between. I'll see. Now, take a pencil and the scale. As I read, you have to underline, please. Slowly, I'll read. Yes. So, houses. I don't know who's disturbing in between. Houses are made of different materials such as straw, mud, dry leaves, bamboo, wood, bricks. Hey, I don't want you to turn your mic. I'm getting that echo. Naren, please turn off your mic. And you have to turn on your camera. In between, please don't disturb children. Now, wood, bricks, cement, and stones. We are not in a hurry to do anything. I'll read it once again. So, please see the words and keep your pencil just below. Houses are made of materials, different materials, things. You have to learn that new word, such as straw, mud, dry leaves, all that is familiar. Bamboo, underline. When you see the red line, you have to underline. Wood, bricks, cement, and stones. Now, all must keep in your mind the spellings of all these words. Now, types of houses. Afterwards, I'll ask you to write and draw color, all that. First draw, name, then color. Not now. So you have to keep in your mind which At least 5 types you have to keep in your mind. There are different types of houses. See, the first one, huts are mostly found in villages. Huts are mostly found in villages. Huts are mostly found in villages. Full stop. Huts have one room. See the hut shown there? You can see the picture. Such houses are not very strong. They have to be rebuilt. First you will build a house. When it becomes a little bit old, you have to rebuild. You have to rebuild it. So the past tense of is rebuilt. To be rebuilt or repaired. That's the same meaning. Rebuilt or repaired every year. Now let's see, anything is there? No, nothing to underline. Now see here, bungalows. See a bungalow shown there. A car is parked in front. A big tree, huge trees over there, are mostly found in towns and cities. And bungalows are big houses. They have many rooms. Some bungalows have a garden. Some bungalows have a garden. Once again, I'll read. Bungalows are mostly found in towns and cities. Many of you are living in cities or towns. Okay, bungalows are big houses, a separate single house. They have many rooms. We just went through the rooms inside a house. Some bungalows have a garden. Next one, multi-storied buildings. These also are mostly found in big cities because they have only little space. So the builders will build many flats together. That's one multi-story building, apartments. Okay, flats, many flats or apartments together. We call it multi-storied building. See there, many flats or apartments will be there. Multi-storied, don't make spelling mistake. multistoried, storied buildings are mostly found in big cities. Okay, these houses are called flats or apartments. See the buildings, you have to learn the spelling of buildings. buildings, buildings. These houses are called flats or apartments. They are built one on top of another. Let me see whether, see that, Kanira, please listen. You have to complete that page, left side, not right side. See, you all are not doing it. I'm seeing you in between. Even principal ma'am will come. Anyone from the office will come in between. They'll enter the class. They'll see you. The camera is off. They'll call your parents. Okay, Naren. You have to turn on your camera. Now I'll go back to the page. Now you have completed this. Materials you have to underline: bamboo, bungalows, multi-storied buildings, the building separate, apartments, and see the pictures. Next page. I'll make you read later. See, in between, don't come on the screen or don't switch on your mic. Now the first house over there, stilt house. See, that house is built just above the ground level. See there? Stilt houses are found in places where there are heavy rains. Heavy rains. These houses are built on stilts made of wood or bamboo. They are built on bamboo or wood, and say from the rain, and it has, or they have, one means it has, they have sloping roof, so the rainwater just fall. Stilt houses are built a little above the ground. They have sloping roofs. Sloping roofs. Houseboats, don't say boathouse, it is houseboats, are houses on boats. They are called floating houses because it will be on water. They are usually made of wood. Let me see your behavior. Yes, nobody is just looking here and there. Nobody is listening now. Why, Naren, your camera is on. I know. Some problem is there. Okay. Now, Sai Vasavi, what's wrong with you? Where are you looking? Please see to the textbook and look at the screen and underline. I will conduct a reading test and I'll give you marks today. Houseboats are houses on boats. They are called floating houses. See there? Underline. They are usually made of wood. Oh, sorry. Please underline houseboats, floating. Now, igloos. You know that igloos are made of blocks of snow and ice. Igloos are made. Igloos. Just see the spellings. Igloos. I-G-L-O-O-S. Igloos are houses made of blocks of snow and ice. They are found in places that are covered with snow all through the year, because every time the place will be covered with snow. They make houses with blocks of snow and ice. Any 5 you'll have to draw later, not now. Don't waste time in drawing in your home study. What all things you have to learn, the spellings of the underlined words, all that you can write and learn in your home study without telling itself. Okay, children? Now we are going to the next one. Tents. Tents are made of canvas or plastic. Okay. That's a material canvas. Just look at the tent after the igloo. Anytime you can take it away, people can carry. When people camp, when they go for a camp, when people camp in the open, they use tents. Any place, if they go, they can use tents. They can be folded and carried easily. Can be folded and carried easily. Wherever they go, They can take it, they can carry it, canvas or plastic. Children, after reading this lesson, I'll come back to you, I'll make you read. I'm getting ready with the book to put marks. Yes.
Ma'am, are you talking? Ma'am, are you
Yeah, I'm talking. Yes, what happened? When people, I'm just getting ready with the book to give you marks. When people camp in the open, they use tents. They can be folded and carried easily. I'm just stopping in between for you to just look at this, look into your textbook. I'm just seeing from the screen. That's why I cannot see you in between. Caravans. Look at the next word. Caravans. I'll make you read after this. Are houses on wheels. They have wheels like buses. They can be driven from one place to another, and you'll have all the facilities of a house inside a caravan. Okay. Now, no, thank you. Now let's see the nutshell. In a nutshell, that means you're just going to say everything in brief. Okay, then I'll make you read. A house protects us from heat, cold, rain, wind, and wild animals. Listen carefully. I'll make you read one sentence and I'll give you mark over here. Next one. Kacha houses are made of mud and straw. Full stop. You don't say full stop because you have to stop there. That's what I'm telling you. Now again I won't say. Pakka houses are strong houses made of bricks and cement. You can underline the tough words which you feel like difficult. Okay, tough means difficult words to learn. You can underline in that nutshell. Different materials are used to make different types of houses. Hut, you are using mud. People in different types of houses. People live in, different types of houses. All the people won't live in bungalows or igloos or tents and all. According to the place, according to their needs, according to their situation, they will live. Mostly in villages, they live in huts. Cities and other places, mostly in cities, bungalows, flats, stilt houses where they have heavy rain. Houseboats, mainly they use for like for when they go for excursion and all, they'll just go for 1 or 2 days. Okay, it's not that you're going to live for a long time. Igloos, tents, and caravans. Now that I'm going to call the children and they have to answer. Okay, now let me take the list now. You don't talk in between. Now, Pritika, not Pritika. First, I will ask to be. Rida.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Can you read in a nutshell? No, you can start from stilt houses. You can start from stilt houses.
Silk houses are found in places
Where
where are
heavy.
where
1 minute. Wait, stop. Just listen to me. Where there are heavy rains. Say, where
Where there are very rich,
heavy rains.
heavy rakes.
Full stop. Okay, don't say full stop. Now read. These houses are
These houses are
built. Others, please don't disturb her. Built
built
on stilts.
on silk,
Now, tell me, made of. Made of
made of
wood. You read. I'll help you. Read. Wood
wood or bamboo.
Very good. You try, child, then I will help you. Full stop. Next
Silk
one.
houses are built
Uh,
and little
little. Above the,
little
above.
above the ground.
Ground. Full stop. Don't, you just stop it when there is a full stop. Good. Next one. They have
They have
sloping.
sloping roof.
Good. Now, from this paragraph, I'm going to ask you a question. Now, where is Riha? Riha Jas? Now you can close your textbook and look at the screen. Riha. Riha, are you there? Okay, Sanvi. Sanvi. Close all your textbook. 1 minute, children. Close all your textbook and look at the screen, please. 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. I have to make you sit properly, everybody. Look at this, Sandy. No, who's this? 1 minute. Shashwata.
Yes, ma'am.
Close your textbook and look at the screen, everybody. Keep your hands on your desk. Sandy, I'm going to ask you, wait. Please listen to me, children. Close your textbook. From the textbook, I'm not going to ask anything. Look at the screen. I'll go back. Now, see ya. First paragraph. I'm going to ask questions now. Riha. Now, Riha is not there. Sanvi.
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
just look at the screen, the first paragraph. From that paragraph, you have to answer. I don't want anybody to help. Where do you find stilt houses? Where do you find stilt houses? From that paragraph, the first line, you can tell me the answer.
There are heavenly rain, ma'am.
Heavy, heavy. Very good. Where there are heavy rains. Repeat. Where there are heavy rains. Tell Sanvi.
Where there are heavy rains.
Very good. Now the next question is for Sona. Sona, listen carefully.
Okay, ma'am.
Where do the, how now, with what material, wait, only Sona, with what material they build this house? Where these houses are built on stilts. 1 minute. Where? Made of what? Made of what?
Still houses are made. These houses are made of stilts. On stilts.
Made of what? Only that question. Tell me. The stilts made of. What are the stilts made of?
Wood and bamboo.
Yes, wood or both can be used. Okay. The stilts are made of wood or bamboo. Now, 1 minute. Next one. Tangareknam. Can you tell me where do they build these kinds of houses? Where do? Just see the next sentence. Only Tangareknam. No one should help. Then only I will know whether they are listening. Stilt houses are built where? Just see that sentence. Find out the answer from there. Still, no. See there. Next sentence I said. What you're telling is correct. Where they have heavy rain, places where they have heavy rain, but stilt houses are built where dash above the ground. Read that sentence. Tilt houses are built on the ground, or read that sentence. Built no Tangaratnam. Can you see bamboo, Tangaratnam, there? Bamboo. Tangaratnam. Listen, parents, don't help her. Let her find out. Can you see the word bamboo in your text? I mean, not textbook. On the screen over here, bamboo. Please answer, Tangaratnam. No, listen, Ma. You just listen to me. Can you see the word bamboo? Yes or no? Yes or no? See, parents, if you are... No, I'm not going to ask anybody. Parents are telling yes means you can answer. I'm just making her learn. Please don't answer, parents. Let her learn. Now you can see bamboo over there, no? Just read the next line, Tangaratnam. Hereafter, I want only the children in my class. No parents, please. Now, Tangaratnam, read after me. Stilt houses, read after me. Very good. Built. No. I am coming back after bamboo. Just look at the screen. After bamboo, next sentence. After bamboo, next sentence. Stilt houses are built. No, Tangaratnam, I'm not going to make you read. You're not making an attempt now. You're going back to the first paragraph. After bamboo, there is a... Others are just misguiding her. Tilt houses are built. Look at the book and look at the screen and read, please. Tilt houses are built.
Tilt houses are built
Uh,
a little
very good. Above
the
ground.
ground.
Now wait, enough. Now, if you are listening, children, you will be able to read after me when I say. You all are not listening in class, and the parents will have to come and tell you, and they will come and tell the first one because they don't know where I am reading. Parents, please leave them alone. Otherwise, I won't ask any questions to the same children. If the parents are helping, I won't ask. Now, next child is Virti. Virti, please, Virti. I'm going to ask, what types of roofs do they have? That is 2,000. Please, Virti, come back. Virti,
Yes,
look at the screen and tell me what types of roofs. What types of roofs?
I don't know.
1 minute, I will tell you. Look at the screen now. You read. They have, read after me, sloping roofs. Sloping.
They have sloping roofs.
Tell me what type of roofs they have. What type?
House.
No. Virti, you are also not listening. Now listen to me. They have sloping roofs. So that kind only sloping. What type of roofs? Tell me that word, sloping.
Sloping.
Now what? Let me see the children. Wait. Children, you all are not at all attending the class properly. See Kushagra keeping the leg up, looking at the parents. Parents, please leave them alone when I take class, at least. Because the children are not at all attending the class properly. See now, Virti, any question I ask, you are telling I don't know. Virti, look at the screen, or look at the screen and tell me, what type of roofs? Tell me. See, you are sitting and eating. When I ask you to leave sloping. Children, when we ask you to go for break, please go eat and come back. You are going on screaming, children are not listening. Now 1 minute. Tangaratnam, you must be very, very careful in my class. You have to listen to me. I will see the whole room who handles sitting in in the room with you. Wait now. Virti, turn in front. Every second the children are going. We are watching you children every time, the 13 minutes. Now we finish this. Now don't say thank you now, I'm coming back to you. When you join the next class, no wishing me. I'm not going to tell you anything because you all are not listening to me. Maths class, I don't want anybody to wish me. Nothing, no talking to me. I will teach you. You'll have to listen. Nobody is listening in class when I'm reading. There will be a reading test and I'll help you to read. You won't know certain words. Sangaratnam, you have to take more participation in class. Okay. Sangaratnam, and I will help you to read. You no need to ask. I don't know, parents, just leave them, please. I will make them learn. Otherwise, if you tell the answer, the children will repeat after that. They won't know what word is it. Okay, now, no need to say thank you, I'm telling you. No need to say thank you. Thank you, children. Only once, it's enough. After the next class, okay? Now, thank you, and you can leave the classroom at once now. You can leave the classroom and get ready for the next class. Maths class with your classwork note. Good children.